weekend today, so a little bit more crowd. Today I am traveling to Bangkok from Korat. So this is the old Korat bus station, and the new one is just near only. This is just beside the mall of Terminal 1. You can see the Terminal 1 here, and just nearby both the new bus station, the old bus station, both. This is the old one. So just going to show you guys how easy. Okay, I'm going to take the bus, and this is the fully AC bus. So it's not very big, but the new one is the big bus station, which is for me is near here. So I just came here. So this is the entrance of the. You can get the ticket from here. So you see the Bangkok air-conditioned bus. So I just get the ticket from here. This is from the different province. So this is going to the different province. So they have a different counters. This is also Nakhon Ratchasima. On market, very old place, no? So the new one is more beautiful. Yeah, they make it very nicely. But the old one, but it's still nice, clean. And they're also going to the different province. This is, they are written Bangkok and then different, province of Nakhon Ratchasima. They are going from here. You see that? So easy to travel, not big deal. And the ticket, how much they take? 232 baht for the ticket to until the mochit. This is also counter office. This is the office. Information center. So you just come, if you want to know about the information, they will give you. Yeah, weather nice, traveling will be very smooth. And I will get something from the 7-Eleven. I like this, This is the middle of the market. It's not very far, Just the Lady Mo also, just maybe 200 meters from the Lady Mo monument. We just go from here, Easy to go from here and then the straight left and straight. So this is the monument, middle of the city. 7-Eleven is here. I was traveling last time from the Bangkok to Korat, and I reached like at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was like looking for a taxi or some, the bike riders to go from here. So I just 7-Eleven is open, and then grab something and then just walking, Get something for drink, maybe something for the break, to eat. We still have the time, like 10 minutes, 8:40 from here. Some drinks, some chips. So easily can, 3 hours, 3.5 hours, go smoothly. Weather also nice today, It's not so much hot. Yesterday was getting similar, and I went to the museum also, so it was nice also. But humidity a little bit there. But if it's raining, it's nice. So this is the bus we have. Bangkok to Nakhon Ratchasima. Okay. So they give also here use snacks, chips and bottle of water. 32, where it is? Maybe in the last. Okay. I get the window seat because I ask. So this is the terminal 1 here, and if you go from here and then straight little bit, like 100-200 meters, and then you found the new bus station. So this is the new bus station is the side. Mochit. Yes. So we are in the main city. They are storing here. It's like a dam water. You see the mountain, and then it looks beautiful from here. If you pass, when you're entering also in Korat, you will find this one, and then going back, this is the one way. Now everybody pass from here only. Look, totally beautiful. Very big, the dam is they're storing water very big, look like a very big lake, but it's giving water to the whole Nakhon Ratchasima province. The water is going. They're using for the the agriculture and everything. Now reach to Mochit bus station, and then from here you will find like a lot of taxi drivers are like asking you. So if you get the taxi, it will be very expensive. So better to go in the line and get the taxi from there. If you catch them, they will be like taking so much of money. So better to. Here is a line, and I will go to the Mochit BTS from here. So we're gonna see. This is the one. It's work. I am in Mochit, and from the Mochit I have to get metro BTS to Payathai, and from the Payathai I have to go to the metro, the airport link. So today is a very busy, crowded Sunday, plus this is the Chatujak market is beside, so many tourists are coming for shopping. So much crowd, but it's good. You will find like this always, weekend today, so a little bit more crowds. Hot today, weather is good, cloudy weather, and I hope not feeling so much hot today. You see that? What is that? Big parking. Here we go inside. It's crowded. Just from here, airport link, so need to take another ticket. Just how many minutes? Just 4 minutes by Mochit to Payathai. Not very far. Just pay like a 40 baht. And from here, 45 baht. So I pay from the Mochit to here. Mochit to here, 45, and from the Payathai to airport, also the same, 45 only. It will be, those are going to the different country, and they are flying back to the home country. So this is mostly the people you find here, and in the between they have the different places. So people are going also there. So those are living in that side. So you will find like a lot of travelers. They are going back to the going to the airport. They found mostly they will be in the big luggage and everything. So this is the starting one, Payathai, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The 7th number is the Swarnabhum airport. This is the Ant path and this is the Payathai we start. The people also coming from the airport only, those are, and they will change the train from here and they can go to the another line. Need to grab a seat. Oh, very hot. Now it's cold. Okay, let's go up. Elevators. Need to find out where it is. This is like underground, the metro, and then we have to go up. And I have to find where is the arrival area. It's like a 15 minutes take time to reach here, and yeah, easy. Like if you guys are coming, so 2 trains you change and then you reach to airport. It's not take so much, complicated. Okay, arrival on the floor 2. We will go there, and this is the only little bit, and the rest of the vlog I will gonna make it whatever I'm doing it here. So okay, this is the arrival area. One boom airport is always busy, See the tourists. Look at that, the crowd. On the top there is, in the 4th is the departure. This is the arrival, 2nd floor. And you can get the taxi and transportation from the down here. And if you go down here, this one, if you go down, this is the CT train.